Today we are here in one of the biggest exhibition area, one of the place where they showcase all kind of machines, all kind of electricals. Like in this very place, you can get all kind of factory machines here. So I'm going to be showing you guys things that we have available here now, guys. So if you are interested in any of these very products, feel free to let me know. So we're gonna start from this very area. As you can see, these are all kind of drilling machines. People using this should know about this very one. There is a lot of them here, and I think this is from just one brand called Crown Tools for Better Life. You can see that. I love everything that I'm seeing here. There is a lot of them here, and I'm going to be just covering everything for you guys to see it. So what you have to do is just to enjoy the video as we move on. And this screen here that you are seeing here is where you can check all the catalog. You can check all the products, every one of them here, one after the other. So this is another very big one. I don't know what this is called, but people using this should know about it. There is a lot of them here. So all you have to do is just to watch and check if there is anything that you might be interested. You can also let me know. And if you want to come around, like you want to come to China to visit this, we can also make it possible for you. No matter the country you are, we can actually make it possible. This is actually another brand. This is where they showcase all kind of product that they have, different type, different brand, different company bringing their goods here to showcase. So I give you guys updates on things happening here, goods going to factories, to give you guys more updates about products and everything happening in China. So if there is anything you find interested in this very place, you can let me know. There is another brand over there. As you can see that they have not actually put their own. There is a lot of things here, guys. Yeah, there is a lot, and I'm going to be showing you guys more. We actually came here to show more things. These are the ones shipped to Europe, these are to Africa, and the other side should be Asians. Yeah, I think this is mainly African, so they build these ones for the Africans. So if you are from Africa, you are maybe interested in this kind of product, or you see this is something that you want to try, you can also let us know. If you want to come here to check it yourself, we can actually make it possible for you. Okay, you can see this one. These are generators. Wow. And these ones are going for the Middle East region. So if you are from Middle East region, this is made for you guys here. Yeah, these are made for you guys here. All kind of different equipment here, like the generators and many other ones here. So this other side is for Americans. They have not actually put things there on the shelf. So these are, I'm just going to cover it one after the other. I hope you guys are seeing this. Many tools here, guys. A lot of them here, guys. Wow. Yeah, I told you guys that this is a very big exhibition area where they showcase all kind of products, different kind of machinery. So I don't know actually what is in this very side. We are going there. Stay tuned. Let's go and check what they're actually showing in that very area. There is a lot of machines here from different companies. This is actually where they showcase their products for it to be easy for the customers to access it. So if you want to get, you just have to come here to check if what you are looking for is available here. If it is available here, you just have to make sure you get it, you get the company number, and you can communicate with them. This is like the generators. I think this one is for those for the a very powerful generator for bringing up waters, and these ones are for the one giving light. So you can see that is actually the companies here, actually their details here. So you guys can see that there is a lot of things here. You guys can see that there is a lot of things here, my beautiful friends. So let me just show you guys view of this very place to show you guys that there is a lot of things. Oh my goodness, I cannot actually cover everything, but I'm just showing you guys some views of this very place. So if you need anything like machineries, all kind of machineries, factory tools, this is where you can get it. All you have to do just to come to my DM, and everything will be possible for you. We make it easy for you to get goods from factory here, very easy, direct from factory in China, very, very easy. So you don't have anything to worry about. Let me show you guys this. All these are scooters, machinery scooters, and so many other things here also. Wow, I love this. You can see kitchen equipment. I've done a lot of video about kitchen equipment, but I've gotten another one here. You can actually check it out also, like the cups. They can actually make based on your own demand, brand. You want your own name to be written on it. This is possible. All these things are possible. So this is very, very close to me. So if you are coming here, you want to come to this very place direct, these are going to be very possible for us to do. This is for the solar. You can see that solar inverter, and these ones are the outdoor solar. This is the outdoor solar. This one you can also install. A lot of machines here available for you guys. Oh my goodness. So my beautiful friends, if you are interested in any of this kind of thing, guys, feel free to let me know. We're gonna do business. So guys, we are done with the exhibition today, and what I can say is that this is too much, man. A lot of product there. You can see products from different factories. In this very exhibition center, they have linked to more than 500 factories. That is, if there is anything you want to get from anywhere in China here, they can actually get it for you. And they have like so many branches in different places, like different countries. They have in Nigeria, Yemen, some African countries, Europe, and so many other places. So like if you want more video about this kind of things, exhibition, and so many other things like visiting companies, you can actually make sure you subscribe to this very YouTube channel for more videos, because I'm not going to stop. I will make sure that I'll give you guys every details. I'll make sure that I'll give you guys everything that you guys need about Chinese factories. So guys, let's go. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.